We got an Atlantic hurricane. First one, oh well, not hurricane. Storm. First one of this season. Tropical Storm Arthur. Here's its path. It formed around here, then went into Mexico. Began monitoring the Bay of Campeche? What's this thing? How do you have a bay in the call? Anyway, partially associated pressure area going to the tropical weather outlook. Right here. And then to the Pacific Basin, USA Today, went to this, National Weather Service. And estimated that damages be greater than 100 million US dollars. And 4 fatalities have been attributed to Arthur. So, currently we're around 10 million US dollars in damages and 4 deaths. Please try to get doesn't get worse. Right, for the people who had loved ones died. Anyway, that's all just for now. See you for the next storm.